Thousands of passengers stranded as chaos unfolds at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport, India's busiest aviation hub. Nearly 700 flights have been delayed or have been diverted after a technical fault has hit the air traffic control's automatic message switching system, which transmits vital flight plan data to the air traffic controllers. In a statement, the airport authority has said that flight operations are facing delays due to the glitch in the AMSS system that supports the ATC data. Controllers are now processing all the flight plans literally manually. That's what led to all the delays in clearances, in communication with the pilots, with communication with the ground staff. The airport authority says it's only a technical glitch and they're working to restore the system at the earliest, and they've thanked passengers for their patience. Now, this snag has hit airports across India. Passengers are now facing long queues across multiple airports. Of course, Delhi airport severely hit. Delays, diversions, flights have been halted. Visuals from the Delhi airport show crowded terminals, stranded flyers, packed boarding gates. Airlines including Air India, Indigo, SpiceJet have all issued advisories asking passengers to check flight updates before heading to the airport. They say it's not a cyber attack, saying it's only a technical glitch, a technical failure. But let me tell you, the timing is a concern. This glitch comes just days after the Delhi airport reported a spate of GPS spoofing incidents where fake satellite signals misled aircrafts about their actual location. Earlier this week, in fact, Delhi ranked second globally for flight disruptions. According to a report that's come from Times of India, at least 7 flights were diverted to Jaipur and Lucknow. Reports say the navigation integrity category value, which basically measures the GPS accuracy, had dipped from its normal 8 to 0 within a 60 nautical mile radius around Delhi. The DGCA has launched now an inquiry into these incidents. What's worse in the situation here is that Delhi's main runway's instrument landing system, the ILS, the radar-based precision landing guide, is currently shut for an upgrade to Category 3, which basically allows landing in dense fog. And in the absence of this, pilots are now relying heavily on satellite-based navigation, leaving aircrafts now more vulnerable to spoofing or positioning errors. To give you a little sense on what GPS spoofing means, imagine your phone showing you're 4 kilometers away from where you actually are. That's how fake GPS signals can throw off an aircraft navigation. Over conflict zones, this is common and it can be dangerous. A jet over Delhi could appear to be over Chandigarh on cockpit instruments, and that could cause immense confusion and mid-air congestion as well.